Unfortunately, we Muslims, we are very backward as far as media is concerned. Our technology, whatever technology is halal, what is permitted in Quran and Sunnah, we have to use it. We have to convert it to halal. Television per se is not haram. I do agree, 99% things that come on television is haram. We have to convert the haram into halal. And that's how we have to convey the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The best way today that you can convey the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the satellite channel. It is the media. At least we can give shahada, we can tell on the day of judgment to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, at least we tried our level best to let the message of Islam reach every home, or at least as many homes as possible. And alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah, since 3.5 years after the launch of Peace TV, now the viewership of Peace TV is more than 100 million. Alhamdulillah. People may be wondering that, why are there so many cameras? People are saying, why 12 cameras required? One lecture, one man, 12 cameras. One man and 12 cameras. The television channels say, we only use 2 or 3 cameras. 12 cameras because we want to present Islam in a beautiful manner. When you have rock show, that time 12 cameras, no problem. When Dai gives a lecture, why only 2 cameras? See, today is the age of science and technology. When we want to convince the youngsters, the media is taking them on the wrong track. We have to use the same media to get our youngster on the right track, from wrong track to the right track. And believe me, we know, I agree, that majority of the media is haram. But as long as we don't break any rule of the Sharia, of the Quran and Sahih Hadith, we can use this media to the benefit of the spread of Islam.